इम्पोर्टेड बोल रहे हो यानी दे मस्ट बी प्रिटी रेयर आई सपोज राइट। तो ये जानना चाहेंगे कि ये रेयर क्यों है।
Chana barca, which is illegal in trade, it is the most hardiest fish on earth.
Sure.
The most hardiest chana on earth, and most beautiful one, which is Indian chana definitely. Blue palkara, it's coming almost like 2 years. After 2 years.
About the imported ones, just kindly tell just a bit about them as to how they should be kept and they should be maintained, so that like all hobbyists would be able to keep it in a proper way. Or who doesn't actually know कि what exactly is an imported chana, तो उनको भरोसा कैसे होंगे, what is the proof उनको कि this is actually an imported chana. जय हिंद एंड जय भारत दोस्तों, आज ऑनीज एक्वाकॉर एक नया वीडियो में आज हम लोग का टॉपिक है imported chanas. We will be watching very exclusive pieces of chanas, and that is imported chanas. That's right, imported chanas and stock video of bubbles underwater of Mr. Chiranjit Roy. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। तो हेलो चिरंजीत।
Hi.
तो चिरंजीत ये बोलिए ना, आप जो ये बबल्स अंडर वाटर के जो प्रोप्राइटर हो, तो लाइक सभी हॉबिस्ट बबल्स अंडर वाटर से एग्जैक्टली क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता है?
You can expect the best quality chanas from us and all varieties of native fishes.
अच्छा, ऑल वेराइटीज।
Yeah, we try to give all kind of varieties of native fishes. And recently we have tried to bring imported chanas, beautiful chanas like chana pulchra, ornati, yellow lip, then red pulchra, red stripe pulchra, fire and red also, fire and ice also.
ओके, तो ये जरा बोलिएगा ना, फिर आपका जो करेंट जो स्टॉक्स ये मोमेंट में आप लाए हो, इसमें एग्जैक्टली फिर क्या क्या टोटल स्टॉक्स आप क्या लाए हो?
इस बार का हमारा आया था अप्रोक्सीमेटली 300 to 350 pieces of blue pulchra, and like ornati yellow lips like 80 to 100 pieces, and firetail approximately firetail we have brought in less quantity, approximately 40 to 50 pieces.
अच्छा,
And others are some native. These are the imported chana we have brought this time.
ओके। और ये आप जो बोल रहे हो कि आप एकदम बहुत इम्पोर्टेड जो चनाज लाए हो, विच इज वेरी मच अ रेयरिटी, तो ये इम्पोर्टेड चनाज ये मोमेंट में कौन कौन सा है?
Yeah, the name I've taken like chana pulchra, chana or ornati yellow lip, and then your firetail. These are imported. These are all imported chanas.
अच्छा अच्छा, तो ये जरा बोलिएगा ना फिर ये पर्टिकुलर जो चनाज जो इम्पोर्टेड बोल रहे हो यानी दे मस्ट बी प्रिटी रेयर आई सपोज राइट।
Yeah, they are pretty rare.
तो ये जानना चाहेंगे कि ये रेयर क्यों है, व्हाई एक्चुअली आर दे रेयर एक्चुअली?
Actually, the rare because the country from which this chana comes, वहाँ से first of all usually import होता नहीं है,
अच्छा,
वहाँ से आता नहीं है usually. Then the thing is उधर में usually मिलता भी नहीं है, like it's rare in their country also.
ओके,
बहुत कम मिलता है, and particular the size we have brought. We have tried to bring like good sizes fish, like size which are showing true colors and potential. हम लोग बड़ा साइज का मछली ट्राई कर रहे हैं, जितना हो सके उतना ही लाने के लिए।
अच्छा, तो ये जो इम्पोर्टेड चनाज इसका आई सपोज इसका अच्छा खासा क्या डिमांड है इंडिया में कि नहीं है?
या वेरी डिमांडिंग,
अच्छा।
वेरी मच डिमांडिंग, बिकॉज दिस चना आर वेरी हार्डी, like very hardy, and my almost all the stocks are booked. पूरा का स्टॉक ही ऑलमोस्ट खत्म है, like few pieces are left. You can even check. Almost all the stocks are booked.
ओके, यानी आप मीन करना चाह रहे हो इन रेस्पेक्ट टू द इंडियन चनाज द इम्पोर्टेड वंस आर मच मोर हार्डियर?
No, I won't be telling that. All the chanas has different perspective. Indian chanas are also very hardy chana. Like there is a illegal chana chana barca, which is illegal in trade. It is the most hardiest fish on earth.
Sure.
Like most hardiest chana on earth. And most beautiful one. Which is Indian chana definitely. And corresponding to that, you can go for golden cobra. Golden cobra is not that hardy. It's a little bit of sensitive chana. So I would suggest hobbyists those are experienced hobbyists to go for golden cobra. And those are newbies, I would suggest don't go for golden cobra. You can go for some other chanas and get some experience. After that, go for golden cobra.
Sure.
For the beginning ones, golden cobra is not the best option. There are other chanas also, Indian chanas, Tuati, Andro, and Stictos, Ornati pectoralis. There are many chanas in India we get to see. And India has the most varieties of chana, I suppose.
अच्छा, तो ये जरा बोलेगा ना फिर अब जो ये इम्पोर्टेड जो चनाज है, तो ये तो नॉर्मली हमारे बंगाल या तो इंडिया में बहुत ही कम मिलता है, राइट? तो ये क्या डिमांड नहीं है न कि ये इसका ज्यादा मिलता नहीं है, अवेलेबिलिटी का प्रॉब्लम है? रीजन क्या है कि ये बहुत ही कम मिलता है इंडिया में?
Actually, it's very rare in India. Like it's very rare in India because the thing is, this chana palkara, blue palkara, it's coming almost like 2 years after 2 years in India. ये 2 साल बाद आ रहा है. It's a rare chana. ये usually मिलता नहीं है.
अच्छा.
And the place it comes from, उधर से transportation मंगवाना is not that easy. It is too costly from there. Too costly. And India, in India there is still people think chana is not that beautiful fish. In India people still think like they can't compete arowana or any other ornamental fish like imported other fishes. So I think this stereotype thinking will be change in the past few years. Hope so. People will try to love chanas more and more. And people will try to communicate with chanas more and more.
अच्छा, तो particular chanas you have brought, the imported ones, just kindly tell just a bit about them as to how they should be kept and they should be maintained, so that like all hobbyists would be able to keep it in a proper way.
The most important imported chana which I have brought this year, particularly, this is blue pulcra. This is a very rare and very interesting fish. In the wild, it grows up to like 12 inch to 13 inch. In captivity, 10 inch they go close. This is a very interesting chana. They can stay in a pretty small tank, like 1.5 feet and all. They can stay in a very small tank. And the diet is also very simple.
Okay.
Chana diet is also very simple. You don't have many different things. You can feed like super worm, mealworms, shrimps, market shrimps. Even you can feed pellets also.
Okay.
Yeah, but I won't be suggesting pellets because
Reason behind, yeah.
Yeah, because shrimps and other things have more protein in it. And things have way more protein in than pellets.
Okay, so chana they normally
Chana likes they like hunting. They like hunting. So they like live fishes and kind of superworm, mealworms and shrimps and all.
Okay, so protein is very much a must in their diet.
Yeah, any kind of fishes, protein is must. Actually, ornamental fishes giving so much of raw protein, they face a little difficult to digest. But chanas are wild caught fishes, so in the wild they eat only this kind of stuff, bugs and all. and you know how much protein content there is in a bulk. So they can take the protein content. No issue regarding that.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's very much a delight to what? Two particular chanas like side by side, both are imported ones.
Yeah. Actually,
See, actually they are flaring, right? They are flaring.
Actually, there is some gap in the middle, so they can't see each other properly. If they can see each other properly, they will be flaring more. Actually, chanas are territorial fish. You know, chanas are territorial fish.
So both can't be kept in the same tank, right?
No, you can if they are bonded pair.
Okay. Or else not.
No, or else not. You can't keep two pieces. You have to keep like 3, 4, 5 pieces, so that one chana can't target the other one. Like that, if you want to keep like many chanas in single tank, you have to keep in good quantity so that it will be not enough. They can't target each other and they can't fight like that.
Okay. And anything else about their temperature as to their particular tank setup, water chemistry?
Few other chanas like chana adistoni, padalis, insane or garo green like that, or bipuli. Except those chana, those are cold water chanas. Except those, these chanas you can keep them like in cold temperature and in warm temperature as well. They don't face as such problems.
Okay.
In this kind of climate. This is the best part of keeping chana. You don't need to put any thermostat at that tank. They love the cold temperature.
Okay.
As well as that, they love the warm temperature also.
So तब in that case आप क्या ये मीन कर रहे हो कि ये imported चनास को in that case क्या समर्स में हम लोग रख नहीं सकते in India?
We can keep.
So कितना टेम्परेचर वो टॉलर कर सकता है?
Yeah, they can tolerate like normal summer temperature. I mean, like scorching heat they can't. Obviously, no fishes can't. I mean, no fishes can tolerate that kind of heat. But normal 30, 28, 30, 32 is fine with them. They don't have usually any kind of problem regarding that.
Okay.
Like imported chana like palka, or ornati, yellow lip, stick toes, or your golden cobra, stupati, and raw, they don't face any kind of problem regarding this tropical climate.
Okay. हाँ. अच्छा तो चिरंजीत ये जरा बोलिएगा ना कि जो लोग शायद चना में नया है और who doesn't actually know कि what exactly is an imported चना, तो उनको भरोसा कैसे होंगे? What is the proof उनको कि this is actually an imported चना?
Yeah, it's very simple. Like the chanas we get in India, we don't get it outside India.
Okay.
The chanas we get outside India, we don't get that chana in India.
अच्छा.
Like chana golden cobra, except India, we don't get it outside India. Excuse me, chana stuati, chana barca, chana andro, these are all Indian chanas. Aristoni, padalis, and all. Stick toes, and orange pectoralis. These are all Indian chanas. And imported chanas are like palkra, ornati, yellow lip, iron eyes, barmanica, red palka, red stripe, palka, red dot. These are all imported chana. You just need to know the name of the chana and just need to see the look of the chana. You just can Google the chana and you will get the location of that.
Okay.
That this chana is from this country, this chana is from India, this is from this, and that this is from China, this is from Nepal, etc. and etc.
Okay. अच्छा तो इंडियन चनास और इम्पोर्टेड चनास का तो देखिए डिफरेंस लुक वाइज तो डिफरेंस तो होंगे ही, बट कुछ अलग सा लुक छोड़ के कुछ और डिफरेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कुछ होता है, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंडियन एंड इम्पोर्टेड चना?
And the thing is, all chanas are territorial. Few chanas are very aggressive, few are less aggressive. Like the coloration is totally different of other chanas. The coloration is totally different. Golden cobra, like look-alike golden cobra, even you will not get in entire outside India. Okay. Stuati is an Indian chana, you won't be getting outside India as such. Like palkra is an imported chana, you won't be getting it in India. So these are all different looking chanas. So they look, the patterns, the colors are all different from each other.
Okay, so that's the major difference among them. Okay, great. अच्छा तो चिरंजीत आप ऑल ओवर इंडिया में आप फिशेस भेजते हो आप?
Yeah,
Okay,
pan India
right.
as well as export.
ओके और फिर इन दैट केस आप जो एक्सपोर्ट करते हो, आप कौन कौन सा कंट्री में आप एक्सपोर्ट करते हो?
All the countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and your South Korea, Vietnam, anywhere in the world you want.
Very much
Until-
possible and you
yeah,
do that.
Until
अच्छा.
unless the fish is illegal, like in some parts of USA, chanas are illegal. And Indian, if few fishes are illegal, we can fish. We can send the fishes.
ओके ओके और आपका नंबर जरा शेयर कीजिएगा.
My number is 6291407622.
ओके एंड कोई आपको डायरेक्टली आपका लोकेशन में आना चाहते हैं तो व्हाट इज द लोकेशन एंड हाउ कैन दे कम एक्चुअली?
You can search in Google bubbles underwater. In map, you will get exact location. My location is near Acropolis Mall, Ruby Hospital, bypass. It's better to search in Google bubbles underwater. You will get my exact location.
ओके ग्रेट ग्रेट. सो दोस्तों, उम्मीद है कि ये वीडियो आप लोग को बहुत ही बढ़िया शानदार लगा होगा एंड शानदार लगा होगा तो डेफिनेटली डू लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट and definitely do subscribe my and definitely do subscribe my channel Oni's Aqua as well. और इस तरह से हम लोग मिस्टर चिरंजीत रॉय जी को हम लोग धन्यवाद कहते हुए वी आर वाइंडिंग अप टुडेज वीडियो. थैंक यू, वंदे मातरम एंड जय हिंद. थैंक यू.